تھو ہر وقت خیال کیازِ ووٹ چھُنہٕ ووٹ ماڈل تہٕ ژوٚٹ بنہِ چھتہٕ بچہِ سونٕے آیا ہمت کر کمر گنڈ ہمت کر کمر گنڈ زو لرز تراو ہمت کر کمر گنڈ زو لرز تراو زگتس سے باون چھی حال کیازِ ووٹ چھُنہٕ ووٹ ماڈل تہٕ ژوٚٹ بنہِ چھت بچہِ چون میون تہٕ سون آیا رگن بر بورود نفس تل ہوم لینڈ رگن بر بورود نفس تل ہوم لینڈ اد بچ سونی عیال کیازِ ووٹ چھُنہٕ ووٹ ماڈل تہٕ ژوٚٹ بنہِ اد بچ سونی عیال اتنے کُنہِ ساتہٕ بزرگ ونان لداخ نِش کیٛاہ میلیو ذکر چھُس تتھ منٛز کران عقلہِ زال شمع تَے ژوم کر چھت بنہِ پلیز کوٹ اٹ عقلہِ زال شمع تَے ژوم کر چھت بنہِ لداخ کیو جیلُک وٕچھ حال کیازِ ووٹ چھُنہٕ ووٹ ماڈل تہٕ چھت بنہِ ٹوٗن چھِ شوٗبان کلس پٮ۪ٹھٕے کھۄرس تل مُکلس جاے یُس ٹوٗن یۄس پٮ۪ٹھٕ کَنہِ آسان چھِ ٹوٗن چھِ شوٗبان کلس پٮ۪ٹھٕے کھۄرس تل مُکلس جاے پنُن کشمیٖرُک دستار گٔنڈِتھ پٔرِنن گوٚو یہِ حال ووٹ چھُنہٕ ووٹ ماڈل تہٕ ژوٚٹ بنہِ چھتھ بچہِ سونٕے عیال اد بچ سونی عیال مگر ییٚلہِ یہِ ووٹ تراوو تہٕ ہوم لینڈُک جنگ لہراوو پننہِ کٔشیٖرِ منٛز اد بچ چون میون تہٕ سون عیال
ڈاکٹر ستستانی ہند چیئر پرسن کے پن کشمیر ٹرسٹ پن کشمیر فاؤنڈیشن تمیک چیئر پرسن مے علاوہ وائڈلی نو ڈاکٹر تم تکلیف دل پہ یہ دن بہت عرض کران کہ ڈیلیبریشنز یہ سپدے یوتھ یہ کران ڈیلیبریشنز آفیشلی کنکلوڈ ڈاکٹر شکیل
Thank you, Dr. Dr. Tain sir, Dr. Jyomuji, and most respected Rishi Kumar Bhushan ji. First, I am privileged to see you here. I have seen you in 50s when you were leading the movement, the one like we are leading these days. I was a very young student studying in Riyasi, and my father was a doctor there, and I have seen you coming to our house middle of the night, early morning, and holding celebrations. Today when I see you, I am privileged that you have come in this gathering to hear about the selection bylaw. My respectful Namaskar to you. Before I conclude about today's proceedings have been very fruitful, they were very exhaustive, they were philosophical, and few organizations put forward their thoughts about the elections. It's not only the organization that is such, it is we as the individual. We as an individual Kashmiri Pandit, what do we think about the election? That's more important. Leave aside these various organizations which have come today under the banner so that we have a joint approach and give a clear vision to the community what they should do as far as election is concerned. Let's think today as an individual, As a Kashmiri Pandit, irrespective of the affiliation to which organization you have, do you really think that you can take part in this election? Do you really feel that you are going to vote for somebody who lives in your house back home? Do you really think that you have to vote for somebody whom you don't know? Do you really think that there is somebody who has rooted or uprooted of people, who has raised your sisters and daughters, who has made you orphans, and now in the name of democracy he wants to rule over you? And the butt of a gun, he wants to say that you have been ousted. Now you put a stamp that I am your leader. Do we really want to vote? I don't think anybody who is in the senses, who has voted. We have to participate in the democracy where we are in a territory. And that territory, as all of us know, as our vision is, as the vision of the community is, and this vision which we have talked about for the last 13 years and which has been taken by some political parties in India, about which some Indian people are thinking about Islam, about which some international communities and international powers are thinking about now. And that vision of Kashmir, when it will be there, when we will have that, and I am sure all of us will vote there. And I am sure we will have our own assembly and we will then take part in the elections. Because none of us, I think, as you heard, is willing to take part in these sham elections which are being forced on us to legitimize the criminalism of the exodus and all the bad things and all the atrocities compounding on our community. With these words, I should conclude and say Jai Jammu Kashmir and Jai Hind. Thank you.
आपके दिलों में हमारी बात, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, जम्मू कश्मीर पायंदाबाद. With this we conclude today's proceedings.